Morning. Good morning. Hey guys. Welcome. Okay, so it looks like the market is already dying. Watch list for today. It's posted on my Discord. You guys have my SPY and QQ levels that I'm looking to play today. And my watch list is Netflix, Carvana, Meta, and Uber. Mostly I'm gonna be looking for a Carvana and Netflix. Those two are my main top two watches, but I'm also looking at Meta and Uber. You guys have pretty much my plan for today here on my Discord. Description, it's down below. Okay, happy Wednesday. I don't know why I'm super hyped today. I've been having a very good past few days. Weirdly, I've been waking up late and trading like after the market open, like 1 hour and a half after the market open, and I have very good setups, which is weird in me because I don't like trading lunchtime or the afternoon session. But whatever. If we have good setups, it's a good day. Are you playing options? Option doesn't work after regular market hours. I think it's only like 30 minutes after. Coinbase was a beautiful trade yesterday. I took a little bit of profits. No, I took a bunch of profits at 244 and 245. Today, if it can hold 239, 238, it's a still very good play to the upside, possibly. So, yeah, the Q and SPY, big gap down. Very far from my levels, so I guess I'm gonna have to wait and see if we have a bounce and rejection. Yeah, bounce and rejection from yesterday's high. I'm sorry, yesterday's low. Morning. So we'll see. So everything's under yesterday's low. I think I would like to see bounces and then see if we're gonna reject yesterday's low on pretty much everything and anything. Like Microsoft, it's right there. Apple kind of too. Nvidia. The Q is very far from yesterday's. Oh no, yesterday's low also. The Q, and I would like to see that also on SPY. I'm trading today with the 250 accounts from Apex. I really like the Uber setup, but I need Uber to give me at least like 1 hour, 4 hours of daily green candlestick. I think that's gonna be my next big swing trade. Again, you guys have it on my Discord. So yeah, let's see. So SPY and the Q have big gaps above. I'm watching the Q here. Yesterday's low. If it can act as support, most likely we're gonna see a bounce towards the gap. If rejects yesterday's low, I'm playing the rejection, and most likely we're gonna keep going lower. Gonna say it's around 457. If the Q can hold 457 as support, I'm playing a bounce there. If reject, I play the rejection. Spy is very, very weak. It's gonna be Thursday low, the level to watch here, and then the gap. Spy has this kind of little gap here. But so far it looks like a gap and go to the downside. Nvidia is very, very weak. Google is very strong. Apple is bouncing hard. Needs to break 191. Microsoft, great bounce also. Uber looking strong so far. Coin very weak. Kinda wanted to trade HD if could hold 331, but it's not there. Very far from there, that level. Meta trying to bounce. I want to see Meta breaking 482. If Meta can hold 482 as support, it's more like 482.60, 482.50. That could be a good play to the upside, but it's kind of difficult to play the upside with what's going on here? Why is this stream looking so weird? Wait. Screen 1. Wait. What the heck? No. I don't know what's going on. Okay, 1 second, because I think audio is fixed now. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Okay. Do we have any data coming up today? Okay, 457. If the queue can hold 457, I'm going long. Okay, I'm going. Today it's just nothing is working. Okay, I'm going long here. Okay, awesome. Finally. Awesome. Do we got any data coming up like at 10 or 10:30? So I'm looking for the gap field, but most likely I'm gonna be looking for a move to here. This little level here. It's around 458, under 458. Oh, and today I'm using 5 250k PAs and 15 evals. I'm trying to pass 20 250k evals. No, 10. I don't know. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50k. I have 5, 250k PAs, and then 10, 250k evals. gonna lock profits and be all out on the 50. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm all out on the 50 and just gonna hold and sell a few of the 250. So I wanted to scale out. Sold one there. Nvidia fighting yesterday's low, which could easily reject there and we could go lower here. What I'm trying to do is with the 50k account that I have, that first of all, if I can pass all 20, like if I can get all 20 250k accounts, I'm just gonna trade those ones and I'm gonna get rid of the 50 and 100k PAs that I already have and only trade with the 250. But in the meanwhile, while I only have a few 250 and I still have a bunch of 50k accounts, the idea is that if I can get like $100 per day or a little bit over, like today I got like 170. But if I can get $100 per day, obviously some days are gonna be red or some days are gonna be green, a little bit over 100. So in average, $100 per day. I'm gonna be done with the 50k because that's easily, if you have 20, that's 40k per month. Only make it $100 on a 50k account, which is not hard. At this point, we all know that it's very easy to make money. The difficult thing is not keep trading and losing it. This coffee is so sweet. I don't like it. Ugh. So yeah, I want to see the Q holding 457. But I don't like that Nvidia is rejecting yesterday's low. You know what is looking pretty good so right now? Again, coin. And if Apple can give me a pullback to 650, 652, I'm gonna look to play the upside there. But I think Nvidia is messing this run up. Also, Microsoft is right at resistance. I think Nvidia needs to break 1130 and use it as support. If not, it's gonna drag the market down. Okay, I like that move. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. I like coin. I think coin. So I already have coin options, but if I didn't, I would be entering coin here. We're stop with a stop loss under two. I will say today's low. Yeah, 2 days low. So this is what I'm looking at coin. So coin is holding I will say this little level here, pretty much yesterday's low, and it's so far it's a daily inside candle. So, and I like that it's holding the VWAP. Definitely looking better than the Q and Nvidia. So if I had to enter anything, I will say coin with a stop loss on. I will say coin for next week with a stop loss under 232. Yeah, I might take it because my contracts are for this week. I'm waiting to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Is it gonna close holding 457, or is it gonna close ugly at VWAP? Ugh. I make this coffee and it's disgusting. Let's see our coin contracts for next week. $250. I'm getting coin for next week, 240 contracts. So we're fighting here. We're kind of fighting. Kinda looks like this level here wants to act as support. We'll see. Yeah, I like that hold. If the Q loses the VWAP, I'm getting out and I'm going short. I don't really like how the daily is looking because it's looking like a clear rejection of yesterday's low. But I like the hold here on spy, and I like the puzzle move to the upside to fill this big gap here. And if we have another push here, I'm gonna sell 2 and only gonna hold one runner. And again, so far it's holding. Kinda looks like a flag. I would say the best trade it will be to wait until fills the gap and then play the rejection there. Especially because technically we had a bearish engulfing daily candle here, so that could be a change of direction. And then the past, including today, the past 3 days, it's been just an inside candle, which is not very bullish. I would love to see Nvidia breaking yesterday's low and using it as support. That will be very bullish, and most likely it's gonna hold me with this upside play. Microsoft really fighting resistance. Coins looking pretty good. Netflix, I missed that one. I missed that play. That was very, very clean bull flag. Come on, Nvidia. Break that level. Go. You can see it on the screen. You guys can see if I'm playing long or short. In coin, I'm playing a swing for next week. Swing call. Nvidia keeps reacting there. Come on, just do it. Go Nvidia. Okay. Hold it there. 457.50 and taking a little bit of profits there. Microsoft, if it can break 431, I think it's gonna retest all-time high. Go Q, move, move with Nvidia, go. Go. Okay, Nvidia right at morning high needs to break that. That hopefully is gonna make the Q boom boom. Okay. Nvidia very strong now. Nvidia almost stopped me out when it pulled back down and dragged the Q down. But now Nvidia is moving higher and the Q is not even moving. Coin, it's been so easy. I love Coin. Coin is always like very, very clean. The chart is always very clean. Go Q. Boom. Boom. $660 Netflix. That was my PT1. Freaking Netflix. Okay, so as of right now we have a clear support here. And 457.50 is our clear resistance. Freaking Netflix. Dang it. I missed that entry. I was looking to play this. If it break this high, that was a beautiful flag. So basically, here, broke, retested, and boom. Go, go, break that thing. Go. If the kid can really break this, it's gonna just explode here. Because it's not really moving much, but it's holding right at resistance. Kind of waiting for that boom. But it's clearly having trouble here. We have all these resistance here. A lot. Mostly, I will say this is the main one. The next, if Netflix can hold 660 as support, the next resistance is 675, 680. Ooh, I don't like that move on SPY. What's going on? What's making SPY so weak? Is it financials or health? Energy. Energy is dead. Financial is also kind of weak. Okay, dollar straight up. Okay, but I like this move. This move, it's pretty bullish. This must have been some type of news or data, because that was a weird move. Okay, beautiful. Selling one, selling another one. That was beautiful. That was a weird move on SPY. Okay, we're right at resistance. I'm all out. I don't care if this thing keeps going higher. I had a bunch of technical difficulties. at the beginning. I missed my Netflix trade, but we made it. Green. How much is this? Like 40k? Let's see. What? No. 31k. It's over. If I put all, yeah. Yeah, a little bit over 31k. I think I'm done. I'm done with futures. I don't use rhythmic. Yeah, right at resistance. Right at resistance on SPY and the Q. I got out here because we were right at resistance on both SPY and the Q. If it was only the Q, I could have held one just because if SPY wasn't on resistance also. But with both right at resistance, I'm like, yeah, I'm happy. I'm out. One trade and done. Well, technically two because I also own coin, but only one futures. That was beautiful. It was risky. Like let's talk a little bit about this trade because one, I feel like I was going against the trend just because I like trading with the bigger trend, which is technically bearish, but it's kind of weird. It's technically bearish after this big sell-off red day, right? But we still have this overall uptrend, so it's a little bit weird. But I was looking to play the upside, like day trading the upside or looking to scalp the upside, because when we have like a big gap down, most of the time you're gonna have the market bouncing and trying to fill the gap. So that's what I was looking for on this one, and the Q filled the entire gap and it's rejecting now. But it was a risky trade because when I entered, which was kind of around here, and then I added more on the way down, I was looking for the Q to hold 457. But then I was like, okay, it can still go a little lower because this is 456.50 was resistance, like intraday in the morning, and then we have the VWAP there. So I was like, it still can go lower and maybe hold here. That's why I didn't got out around 457. But also it was risky because technically at that time was rejecting yesterday's low. The thing is, it was kind of weird. The thing is, like, yesterday's low, yes, is this week, but it has a bunch of wicks, so it's not like a strong low. Like, I will say yesterday's low, like the strongest low, is this level here, not this one, because you have a bunch of wicks here, a bunch of wicks here, which means strong reactions there, right? And for me, every time I see wicks, I kind of see weeks like empty spaces. Like weeks for me are kind of like gaps on a weird way. So when I say weeks, if I'm playing, like, let's just say if I'm trying to play the upside like that, right? I like seeing wicks because it means it just literally telling me that it doesn't want to go lower. But if I'm playing these upside and I have a wick as a resistance, for me it's not a strong resistance. That's why I was looking for this resistance here instead of this one. So because this chart here is the 30-minute time frame. So if we go to lower time frame on full bodies, you're gonna have more movement than on wicks. On wicks, you're not gonna have much movement. Maybe a couple of like very wicky candlesticks. I don't know, it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not. Like for me, wicks are strong reactions, but if I'm playing these, it's kind of I kind of see it as empty space, like a gap. But if I'm playing with the wick, let's just say if I'm playing this upside, if I'm playing this upside, for me, it's bullish. I don't know, it sounds kind of complicated, but it's not. I guess I got this type of like analysis with time, with a lot of screen time. Just seeing how the market reacts and how the market move with wicks. But yeah, so the Q filled the gap. We have a beautiful upside move here. This was beautiful. Let's put it like that. Break, retest, boom. Beautiful flag here. Almost stop me out. Almost, but not really. But yeah. Break, retest, flag, gap above. And then there's not much to do other than either playing a quick reaction here. I would not try to look for a reaction here with Nvidia doing what it's doing right now. Nvidia is very strong moving to the upside, so I would not look to trade the downside on the Q. I will prefer to wait for the Q to break this resistance here, this level, and then play the upside continuation. But I'm done. Oh yeah, I don't like the 25k account. Well, you can trade them, but you most likely were trading the 25k with minis. You cannot trade minis on 25k accounts. The drawdown is too small for minis. You gotta trade micros. I'm eyeing Uber here. I like this daily candle so far. I know it's very early for me to talk about the daily candle, but I like this hold on Uber for a swing trade. I think if Uber pulls back to the VWAP and holds there, I'm gonna enter the swing trade. It's gonna be like 3 weeks out because I want to take the entire move to the gap fill above. Nvidia right at resistance right now. Nvidia needs to break this all-time high. from last week to really boom boom here. 1150. If you can break 1150 and hold it as support, it's gonna boom boom. But yeah, this was a beautiful, beautiful flag break and retest play. That's the next one. Ooh, I like that move on SPY. I like more SPY here because SPY still has this entire gap to fill. Yep. Okay, so we have this little pre-market high level, right? If SPY can break that level, it's gonna boom boom and fill this gap. Easy, easy. 528 retest. Yep. Let's see, because I wasn't looking to play anything, but I really like this possible play here on SPY. You can use either or. So technically the gaps are from today's open, from yesterday's close till today's open. But this low was resistance. We're reacting here. And this is what I like more right now, Spy, because I think it looks cleaner than the Q right now, because you still have this gap and it's fighting yesterday's low. The Q is way above yesterday's low and already filled the gap. So you can technically play a rejection here on the Q. So I like it more if I see a clear rejection here. I like it more the Q to play the rejection, but I like more if I want to play the upside. I like it more on Spy. I also like that Netflix consolidation above 660. Coin right now is doing nothing, but I like that it's holding above yesterday's low. Oh, I'm sorry. Yesterday's close. So for the gaps is yesterday, the previous day close if it closes red, not if it closes green, because that is not a gap. You have this entire move before. That is not a gap. So this is the gap. Like if let's go with how to show you a gap. So look the 30-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame here on the Q. You have this gap here. This is the gap. Empty space. Not till here. So for me, the Q already filled the gap. Spy still have from here till here. Okay, I got over 65 call for June 21st. I'll be adding more if can give me a pullback to the VWAP or 63.50. My stop loss on Uber is, I will say, around 62. No, I'm not gonna turn off the music. And it's not loud. Okay guys, so I'm done for today. I'm done with the stream. I might look for maybe look for another trade later in the afternoon, but I don't think so. I think I only will trade. The only setup that I love right now is if SPY can really break yesterday's low. So basically, if I see SPY breaking this high here and it can really hold it, I will simply look for break, retest. Oopsie, that's too high. Little break, retest, and the gap fill here, or at least to 528. That would be another scalp, but firstly I need SPY to really hold this level here. And I don't know if I don't know if I'm really gonna take this, because I don't love playing this upside with Nvidia right at resistance near all-time high. So Nvidia needs to break that all-time high like strongly for me to be really confident to keep playing this upside here. And same thing with the Q, pretty much you can do pretty much the same thing with the Q. If the Q can break this high here, pretty much today high, you can play the upside till maybe yesterday high. That's the next big resistance, right? Like yesterday high and then all-time high. But I don't think I'm gonna trade anything else because I'm super happy with my trade today. How my one trade and boom, green, love it. Coin, coin is not doing much, but I still love how it's holding. I like that it's holding yesterday's low, so it's just consolidating, which is good. I think it's pretty good. So yeah, 250. It's my main PT for coin. For Uber, like I said, I'm gonna add more if you can give me a pullback to maybe this level, the VWAP or 63.50. Uber is a kind of like a long-term swing trade. I wouldn't say it's a long-term. I think it's a mid-term swing trade. But yeah, I kind of like my first PT on Uber is 66, and then I'm gonna be looking for this little gap here. I honestly think Uber with time can go to 74. That's why I bought a few contracts for the 21st next month, because I'm gonna be selling on the way up, but I want to hold runners to see if Uber can really hold 74. I even think Uber can go here, all-time high, but obviously it's not gonna happen in 1 month. So my main PT is gonna be this little gap here. You guys have the levels, have my plan on Uber on my Discord. I'm also looking to play Meta. If Meta can break this high here, the high that I had on the 15th. I think if Meta can break that high, it's gonna boom to 500 and then 510. But yeah, I'm watching Meta here. It kind of looks like a flag on the daily. Netflix, sadly I missed this trade, but I like this consolidation above 660. If not, ideally I want to see Netflix give me a bigger pullback till this high here, this flag high. That will be perfect to enter a upside. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. Don't really know. But yeah, Uber and Coin are the two ones. The ones that I'm looking, I'm already in. And hopefully we can have more green today with those two. Under 232, I will say under yesterday's low will be my stop loss. If coin cannot hold yesterday's low, I'm gonna get out. Oh yeah, super happy with today's trade. Awesome day, first day of the week on the stream and green. So beautiful day. See you guys mañana. Remember to like the video. Bye.